So, hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, today's video, mag-share ako sa inyo ng about dito sa nangyari sa aking channel na hindi po ako na-approve. Para lang po ma-aware kayo sa mga kapwa ko na mga YouTuber, kapwa ko na mga vlogger na gustong ma-monetize ang kanilang mga channel. So, itong video na ginawa ko is para sa mga bagong nag-a-apply pa lang. So, makinig kayong mabuti and i-check nyo mabuti ang inyong mga channel para hindi kayo matulad sa akin na rejected ni YouTube. Ayan. So, may pag-asa pa ba na ma-monetize ang aking channel kahit na na-reject na ako ni YouTube? So, as of their email, so papakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang email sa akin maya-maya. So, sabi doon is pwede akong mag-reapply. Ayun, may pag-asa pa tayo. And, bago ka mag-reapply, meron kang mga steps na gagawin. So, hindi ka basta makakapag-apply, so mag-aantay ka pa ng isang buwan. And nakalagay naman doon yung date kung kailan ka pwede mag-apply ulit. So, makikita mo yun doon sa monetization page kung pwede ka nang mag-apply. So, bago yan, tingnan natin yung email sa akin ni YT and yung itsura ng monetization page pagka na-reject ka or hindi ka na-approve ni YT. So, makikita nyo yung aking monetization page and ang aking status and features and yung pinaka-email ni YT. So, let's watch this. So, ito yung aking status and features dito sa Creator Studio. So, ang makikita mo na dito, so wala akong copyright strike, wala akong community guidelines strike. Malinis po ang aking channel. But, the problem, your channel was not approved for monetization. So, bakit? Bakit hindi ako na-approve? Ayan. So, titingnan natin ngayon yung mga reasons dito sa ating monetization page. So, when you click this monetization, makikita mo ang lahat ng reasons. Ayan, nakalagay dito. Before, makikita mo dito is yung subscribers and yung oras, kung nakakailang watch time ka na. But now, ayan ang makikita mo. So, meron din sila nakalagay. Unfortunately, your channel wasn't approved for monetization. So, account status currently ineligible for monetization. Your channel wasn't approved for monetization. So, pwede pala na mag-apply ulit. You can re-apply to join the YouTube Partner Program in 25 days on April 24. So, April 24, pwede tayo na mag-apply ulit. But before that, kailangan natin basahin lahat ng ito para malaman natin kung ano ba ang mali sa ating channel. So, tingnan natin ngayon itong here's why your channel wasn't approved for monetization. Nandito sa unang-una na reason is reuse content. Ayan. So, inaamin ko meron akong isang na-reuse na content. So, yun siguro yung naging reason or naging, yun na nga, kaya hindi tayo na-approve dahil doon sa isang na-reuse natin. In most cases, you can't re-upload someone else's content unless you get permission first before. Remember, it's not enough to credit the content owner or state that no copyright infringement is intended. Ayun. So, pwede mo tong pindutin para makita mo yung mga iba pang policies nila. And here are some types of content that are subject to copyright. Audio-visual works like TV shows and movies, ayan, bawal. Sound recordings and musical composition, bawal din. Visual and written works, pati yung mga written works, bawal din, including paintings, posters, articles, and books. Dramatic works such as plays and musicals, bawal din pala yun yung mga sa theater. And video, games, and computer software, bawal din ba yung video games? Ayun yung nakalagay ha. So, ito yung mga subject to copyright na content. Okay, dito sa baba naman, yung mga hindi nila binibigyang pansin or tuon. Hindi binibigyan ng tuon. So, what's not being assessed? Our aim is to create an environment that's fair for all creators. We're not looking at things like the popularity of your videos, how often you upload videos, your engagement with fans, how political your channel is, sexual orientation or gender identity. So ayan yung mga hindi naman mahalaga para kay YT, hindi binibigyang pansin. So this one, pagka pwede ka nang mag-reapply, makikita mo tips to get your channel approved next time. So ito yung pinakamahalaga para maiwasan mo na or maiwasan na yung hindi ma-approve. So here's the tips para next time na pag-apply ko or pag-apply ng mga hindi na-approve is maging okay na. You can do this. Here are some tips to get your channel approved next time. Review the rules. Ayan. Make sure that your channel complies with the YouTube monetization policies. And next, keep it real. Yes, keep it real. Originality. Avoid uploading content that belongs to someone else. And don't pay to increase view counts, likes, or subscribers. Reapply when ready. Take your time and make sure that everything looks good. You can reapply after blah blah blah. Ayan. So, ayun yung tips natin para next time na mag-apply tayo is ma-approve na tayo. So, ito yung mga nandito sa aking monetization page pag hindi ka na-approve. So, ayan yung makikita mo. And then, ito yung maganda kay YT kasi binibigyan kanya ng mga tips din and reasons kung bakit ka hindi na-approve. Siguro alam mo naman na yun kung ano yung mga nireuse mo na content. Ayan. And then, dito tayo sa email nila. Okay, so ito yung email nila sa akin nung hindi nga ako na-approve. So, your channel is not approved for the YouTube Partner Program. Ayan, learn how to reapply. So, they say, Hi, Julie and Parma. Thank you for applying to the YouTube Partner Program. To evaluate your application, our team carefully reviewed your channel, Julie and Parma. Unfortunately, we found that your application does not meet our YouTube Partner Program policies. So, we cannot approve your channel for monetization at this time. We have policies in place that we believe support a healthy environment for advertisers, creators, users, which means sometimes making difficult decisions like this one. Please go to your monetization page to read more about the specific policy that are specially plugged for your channel. If you adjust the content on your channel, please consider reapplying. Ayun. So, meron din dito sa baba na what this means for your channel. Hindi ko alam kung paano to basahin. Ayan. You cannot monetize as a result of this. You still have access to most other creative features. Upload videos, edit or delete your videos, communicate with your audience. There is no change to how your videos are promoted in our search and recommendation system. And then this one, how to reapply. We want you to have chance to monetize, but to do that, you will need to make some adjustments to your channel. If you want to reapply, you should start by going to the monetization page to read more about the policy that your channel violated. Then review your videos against our YouTube Partner Program policy and community guidelines. The next step is to edit or delete any videos that violate our policies. So, na-delete ko na yung sa akin. So, mag-aantay na lang ako kung kailan ako pwede mag-apply, no? Ayun. Please also note that YPP eligibility criteria of 4,000 public watch hours. So, ito yung importante guys, public watch hours of 4,000. So, makikita nyo kanina dun sa aking page, wala na yung pinaka watch hour niya, diba? Hindi makikita na. So, ngayon, manually ako nagka-count ng aking watch hour. Lahat ng videos ko, pinupuntahan ko and then tinitingnan ko yung last 365 days nila na watch hour para mabilang ko lahat kung mayroon ba akong 4,000 public watch hour. Kasi ang kailangan daw, ang criteria is 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Will continue to apply here also. Ayan. So, kailangan meron daw tayong public na 4,000 watch hour. And in 30 days, you'll see the option to reapply on the monetization page. If you reapply, we will carefully look over your channel again and we will email you to let you know as soon as process is complete. You can also check the status of your application on the monetization page. So, ayun na nga. Ayun yung email ni YT or ni YouTube sa akin. So, sa mga kapareho ko dyan na mga hindi din na-approve, ayan, go, push lang, upload more, and check your videos kung meron ba kayong, or meron ba tayong mga reuse content or mga hindi sa atin, ganyan. And this one, na mga subject to copyright, yung mga importanteng subject to copyright na yan, hindi din pwede. Ayun. And then, pwede na tayong mag-apply ulit pagka okay na yung channel natin. So, ayun lang yung ma-share ko sa inyo. Sana may natutunan kayo and maging aware tayo sa mga channel natin para hindi tayo ma-dis or ma-reject. And share it to your co-vlogger or co-YouTuber para ma-aware sila sa mga ganitong situation. Para sila ay ma-aware at hindi na ma-reject ni YT. So, thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want or if you like my channel. Thank you again, and remember, be the reason for others to smile. Bye-bye!